Hello, welcome back. And today we're doing 7 days. Yay! Yay! First horror game ever. Okay. That's how you walk. How you eat? No, that's inventory. Click. Oh, okay. Just. Why is it so zoomy? Whoa! I'm not used to it. Do I have to? I have my volume all the way up. Hey, if y'all know any cams. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, God, I've never played this. I've never played any horror game. Oh, it's locked. Oh, God. Oh, God, locked again. Knock, knock. Anyone here? Oh, oh. Oh, don't look. Oh, a clock. Yes. No. No. Oh, man. Great. Blood. Wonderful. Okay, good. It's locked. Dark, scary hole. Look down. Don't do anything. Okay, sorry. Let me get a sip of my drink. I'm still stuck. Oh! Okay. Okay. Whew. I thought that was something. I actually have no background history of this game, so I don't know what to do. I'm just looking around, I guess. I'm not good at choices, but I'm gonna go where I think there's a door. Oh, look, a little picnic table. It's a bottle. What was that? And? I see what you're doing. I hear footsteps. Wait. Continue. How do you do this? Enter? Why does I have to be so close? No? Okay, good. There's nothing here. It's okay. Why is every door locked? Gosh darn it. I don't want to die. Oh, no. No. Okay, nothing behind me. Heard a knock knock. Ain't going to no knock knock. If I had a screen capturing, you know I'm pretty far away from my screen. Okay, blood. Blah. No. No. My camera just zoomed in right there. No. Oh, look to the floor. My computer's actually handling it pretty well. What the fuck? What? S.M. I think that's what it's. Oh. Run! Run! No! Walk away! I don't even know if he's here. Just walk away. Be cool. Look behind me. Calmly. Are we okay? I don't know. I never played this game. I wouldn't know. Blah, blah. Keep walking. Down. Oh, no, there's nothing over here. What the crap? Came over here for nothing? There's not even a door over there. That means there's gonna be pop up. I've seen these things on YouTube. Was I supposed to find something? Oh, S.M. That could be a code. Maybe. S. Is there even an S? Oh man, I just passed S. S. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S. Press E per appear. Okay, I got a key. I got a key. Library key. Okay. 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 Let's do this. Like, gentlemen, the door's stuck. You don't say. I got a key. Oh! Oh, no, no. Books, ancient books. I don't like mazes. No, no. Don't tell me it's a maze. No. Oh, let's walk forward. I don't know what's gonna happen. No. What's gonna happen? Oh, this is where it came from. I'm so lost already. I'm so bad with mazes. Especially in horror games. Ah! No! Oh! Oh no. I saw something. No. Schnitzels? Why did I say that? Ah. What's gonna happen? What the fuck? What? I'm going in a circle. There has to be something here. Rapidly click everything. Does the blood lead me somewhere? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Oh god. Oh god. Unfortunately, I have a cheap thing that I got for free, so I can only do it for 10 minutes, and it's already 9 minutes. It just keeps... Oh, I found a key. Block key. So I'm thinking it's for a metal door, maybe? Maybe. I'm just waiting for a pop-up. Come on. There has to be a metal door. Oh, back where we came from. Maybe. Okay, link to the description. There will be a link in the description for this game.